Guys, this is Vasily, and today I'm going to show you how to create your first Alexa skill without coding. To do that, we need to go to the storyline.io and log in using Google account. After we log into Storyline, we see a page with skills that you have. So I don't have any skills yet, so I can create new one by clicking this button or clicking this big area in the middle. Storyline asks me to connect Coggle Mind Map service, which is a software we use to generate our visual interface for creating skills. So I can do that by clicking this green button and just allowing access to Coggle Mind Map. Next, we see a screen with templates. Templates is a pre-built mind map logic that speeds up the creation process. And it's a really good idea to start with templates if you don't have a particular skill in mind that you're going to create, or you just need an inspiration to start from something. But for the sake of this tutorial, let's go from scratch. So let's create a new skill from scratch. And it says, welcome to Storyline. Next, I need to enter a skill name. And this is a really important point because skill name is the same as an invocation name, which is the name we use when you say, hey Alexa, open my awesome skill. So my awesome skill is a skill name here. My skill name is going to be Storyline Demo. Okay, I click start. And here I see an empty canvas with the main block. It's called Storyline Demo. How do you create a new message? I click this plus button in the right side of the block and just enter the text that Alexa is going to say. Let it be like, hello, welcome to Storyline. And also I want to add one more. I want to add a question that Alexa will ask our user. I click Ctrl plus Enter to add one more message. And the message is going to be like, are you excited? Cool. So we just created the first message, the welcome message in our skill. To create a response, a user response for this message, we need to hit this plus button and enter user response with double slashes before the text. So we're just like thinking what user can answer to this question. It could be like either yes or maybe no. So to create no, I can just like press Shift plus Enter and create another one, just no. And then I can add something that Alexa will say if user says yes to this "Are you excited?" question. To do that, I click this plus button and I just enter, that's awesome. I'm excited too. Cool, so we already built something. And we can just test this right in the browser. To do that, I click this green button and click Start Playing button.
Hello, welcome to Storyline. Are you excited?
Yes.
That's awesome. I'm excited too.
So we just heard what was the response. And also I wanted to like edit this a little bit. It would be like a way more personal if Alexa will say my name. Like, hello, Vasily. Welcome to Storyline. And again, you can just test this to feel how it looks.
Hello, Vasily. Welcome to Storyline. Are you excited?
Yes.
That's awesome. I'm excited too.
So we just heard the name changed, and now Alexa said, hello, Vasily. Okay, so we can create another response for if user says no. Alexa can say something like, oh, you need to take a break. And what if user will say something like something different besides yes or no? So we can easily handle this too. by creating another user response out of this node. So I click this plus button and I'll enter @else, which is a simple operator. So if you just say something besides yes or no, the Alexa will say, I didn't get that. So, and we can also test this, but let's do one more thing. Let's deploy this to a real Echo device so you can play with it in your home. So to do that, I click this deploy button and Storyline asks me to connect my Amazon account, which I do by clicking this connect Amazon button, and it redirects me to my Amazon page where I enter my password and I'm signing into my Amazon account and allowing the permission to connect it to Storyline. And if you have a developer account, the deployment process will start immediately, but it just happened that I don't have one, so I click this button and so I just enter my password from Amazon, click sign in button, and it redirects me to this page. It's super easy. You can just fill this with your information, and I click save and continue button to finish the registration. So I need to accept an agreement from Amazon, and also I need to click save and continue button one more time to confirm my account. My account is created, and then I can get back to Storyline and hit continue button. So it checks that my Amazon account is created and the deployment process starts. So it usually takes about 30 to 40 seconds to deploy their application for the first time. In the meantime, I can show you how you can share this project that you've built with someone else. So it's super simple. You can click this share button and toggle enable sharing via URL. So it generates you this link. You can click copy to copy this link and send it to someone else. This link gives you an ability to play a project without publishing it to Amazon App Store, which is super helpful. And now I can click this start playing button to play the skill. And let's test something else. Let's test how our else operator works. So when Alexa will ask me, am I excited or not, I will say not yes or no, but just something random.
Hello, Vasily. Welcome to Storyline. Are you excited?
Random.
I didn't get that.
And as you saw, Alexa replied with the same message that we entered for this particular else operator. So let's get back to Storyline. We see that the deployment process is done, and now we can continue connecting our skill to Amazon. So we need to enable it on Alexa. I can do that by clicking this enable my skill button, which opens my Amazon developer account. And it's super simple. I need to just toggle this button from disabled to enable state. So that's it. My skill is enabled. I'm clicking this done button, and now I can test it on Alexa. So for the sake of this tutorial, I opened another window. It's called EchoSim. It's a simple testing tool for Alexa skills. And now, using this tool, we can test how our skill will perform on Alexa. I need to just hold my spacebar on my keyboard to activate the microphone and say something like Alexa, open Storyline demo, which is an invocation name that we entered right here. Open Storyline demo.
Hello, Vasily. Welcome to Storyline. Are you excited?
Yes.
That's awesome. I'm excited too.
So it works, and now we can test how our real-time updates are working. Let's add to this yes response something different. Let's change awesome to great. And we don't have to redeploy this. If we change the content of the response, we can just test it in real time. Open Storyline demo.
Hello, Vasily. Welcome to Storyline. Are you excited?
Yes.
That's great. I'm excited too.
Now we just saw how we can update content in real time. So I'm looking forward to see you using Storyline and see you in the next video.